So this series of videos reviews everything to do with limits. So let's go back and look at the derivative as a limit, which I already mentioned in the first video of this series. You'll recall from differentiation from first principles that the limit as h goes to 0 of the rate of change. Now remember, whenever you see the words rate of change, you need to think gradient and then derivative. Okay, of a function between 2 points, x and x plus h, gives the gradient at the point. So this was when we were looking at even instantaneous rate of change. Now, I don't like using the formula. Feel free to do it if you like. I do it by the steps, find the gradient, find the limit. So calculate the derivative of f of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. And the key here is from first principles. So we always start with our 2 points. Our x1 is x, and our y1 is our f of x, which is 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. Our second value of x is going to be x plus h. So our y2 is f of x plus h, which is 3 lots of x plus h, all squared, minus 4 lots of x plus h plus 7. Expand that out, x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h plus 7, which is 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 4x plus 4h plus 7. Now we can move on to the gradient, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Or if you want to think about it in terms of the formula, your f of x plus h minus your f of x over x plus h minus x. So I've got 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 4x plus 4h plus 7 minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 7 all over x plus h minus x. Now you'll see the 3x squareds cancel. Remember also, I should point out, because of this minus, make sure you use brackets because everything within that bracket is subtracted. Okay, so we have our 6xh plus 3h squared. Now our minus 4x minus minus 4x becomes minus 4x plus 4x, so that's gone. Plus 4h, and then our 7 takes 7 is gone. And then on the bottom, we just have h. Factorize the h out the top. And then the h's cancel. Now I'm going to run out of room, so I'm just going to reduce the size of that. So the next step is actually finding the derivative. So in this case, because we're given f of x, it's going to be f prime of x. Now make sure you know how to write this. This is what a lot of people struggle with. You're looking at the limit as h goes to 0 of 6x plus 3h plus 4. Right? You want to know the derivative at the point. So you're going to substitute 0 for h. So we have 6x plus 3 lots of 0 plus 4, which is 6x plus 4. And because you know the shortcut to differentiate, you know that that's the answer, right? Because we had f of x equals 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. The derivative is 3 times 2 is 6x. Reduce your power by 1, so it becomes 1, minus 4, and it would be x to the 0, so it's just 4, right? Another way to check, you started with a quadratic and you've ended up with linear. So we had 3 steps, you'll see. Step 1, find the points. Step 2, determine the gradient. And then step 3 is the limit.